The old you would never.
Nothing happened. Nothing except for the war. Too many people died in this land. All that pain forced me to grow up.
What does that mean?
That even innocent, foolish children will grow up in the face of pain. Until their thoughts and beliefs are the same as adults.
But abandoning one...
This is Pariah, and I want you to enter my realm real quick. They say that life is the best teacher. They also say that without great pain, you can never understand great peace. And another popular quote is that to turn a boy into a man, that boy needs to endure a rites of passage. That boy needs to go through pain, adversity, suffering, hardship, struggle in order to grow. It takes constant resistance, constant uncomfortability in order to build the spirit and the soul and the mind. Comfortability kills. You can't grow when you're comfortable. You're stagnant. You can only grow when you've been challenged. Challenges causes the brain to think. Challenges causes stress, life or death situations. And when you're in these situations, your mind, your body tends to flourish. You cross new thresholds that you have never crossed before. You take on roads that you dare not to run on. You know, life is going to throw mountains, hills, rivers, swamps at you. And the only thing you can do is climb them. And when you reach the top, you can look back and be proud of what you accomplished. You know, with a flower, it can't always be sunny days. It has to rain. Without hydration, that flower will die. It has to be a perfect balance between good and bad. It takes constant resistance for the muscles to grow. Don't work out, no muscle growth. Meaning that for you to be built into a better person, life has to tear, rip, shred. Put enough stress on you that's going to force you to grow in order for you to become better. Life is going to break you down and build you back up again. But life will not hold your hands. You have to help yourself up. There will be times where you will have no one to call on. There will be times where it's just you, and you're in a situation where it might seem like there is no escape. But there's always a door. There's always an exit. There's always another path. There's always another route. But I don't want to take up too much of your time. I understand that we're busy men, but the moral to my story is pain is what's going to make you better. Uncomfortability is what's going to cause you to grow. So next time you're in the face of a mountain, a hill, a deep ocean even, look at it as motivation. Look at it as an adventure. Look at it as something positive, something instead of something negative. And with that mindset, you can climb any mountain, even Mount Everest. And I'm gone.